HashSet data type set name equal to new HashSet. This gives a new empty HashSet. For example, the following code creates a HashSet of strings called usernames. We can use the add method to add elements to the set. We can use the remove method to remove elements from the set. Now, let's see what we've learned. This creates a hash set of integers called numbers. When trying to add 2 again, the set remains unchanged since 2 is already present. We have a set of usernames that are already taken. Take a username as input from the user and check whether the username is available or already taken. In this example, let's see how we can use a hash set in Java to check whether a particular username is available or not. Now let's create a hash set called usernames. Now let's add some usernames that's already taken by some users. Now we read a username as input chosen by the user. We use the contains method to check whether the entered username is already taken by another user. Since bug hunter is not present in the hash set, the program displays username is available.